Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if the Fortnite client entry point not found exception processing message on Windows computer guys. I recommend to do go ahead and restart your PC guys. Sometimes simply restart can fix the issue guys. If you didn't get resolved by restarting, let's fix that issue guys. Go to search menu and type install the app, open it. In here search for Visual VISUAL. Here comes up to Visuals, Microsoft Visual C++. You just want to both of them same way, you just need to do it. For that, click on three dot icon or to the first three dot icon, click on it and go to modify and click yes. Now click on repair option over here. After repairing this guys, you must restart your computer before you can use the software. Close out of here for a second and you just need to do a same thing for this also guys, the second one also. For that, three dot icon over here and click on it and go to modify option and click yes. Now click on repair guys. After finishing this, you want to restart it guys. Close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC computer, your problem has been resolved guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.